Bitcoin is the king of cryptocurrency. It's incredibly secure and decentralized, and is a truly revolutionary innovation in storing and transacting value. But it's too slow and expensive for everyday transactions, and it lacks the development capabilities needed to expand its use cases into the vast array of global financial systems. Cardano's here to change that. Unlike Ethereum and other chains with their clunky account systems, Cardano's extended UTXO or EUTXO mirrors Bitcoin's design, making them a perfect match. This shared tech lets Cardano plug into Bitcoin using a layer of rollups and bridges that scales Bitcoin trustlessly. Other chains can't do this. They're misaligned, needing messy workarounds that compromise efficiency and security. Cardano doesn't. Its research-driven EUTXO model delivers fast, cheap transactions and powerful, secure smart contracts, all while syncing with Bitcoin's ledger. What does this mean for Bitcoin's future? With Cardano, Bitcoin can evolve, unlocking DeFi, lending, and trading, all secured by its proof-of-work backbone. Cardano can supercharge Bitcoin's proof of work, expanding Bitcoin into a global operating system for finance and beyond, without compromising the security that Bitcoin offers. Cardano doesn't replace Bitcoin, it extends it and enhances it, blending security with scalability. Together, they're ready to power a decentralized world.